Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys we will learn how to write a program using Pascal programming language to print a series of numbers from 1 to 10. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, subscribers to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, your comment and suggestion. I really appreciate your support. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Basically guys, I'm using free Pascal IDE that is free to download from the internet. Okay, so here free Pascal IDE 432 for i386. So it works on different version of Windows. I'm currently working on Windows 10. So we have here program print underscore 1 and 1 to 10 uses CRT. I declare a variable var a integer. When we say integer, it refers to data type that is whole number, positive and negative including 0. We have here begin CLRECR to clear the screen. The begin statement is used primarily to start the body of our program in Pascal. Right line print 1 to 10 using for loop in Pascal. This is the title of our program. Right line, so using for loop statement for a colon equals 1 to 10 do begin write a colon 4. So when we say colon 4, it is the spacing, and then we close our for loop statement with the end semicolon. Right line right end of program, red line end. Now we want to check our program. Alt F, compile. Let us check for syntax error. No error. So let us proceed to run. Alt F again. Let us go to run or Control F9. So here we go guys. We have the output. Print 1 to 10 using for loop in Pascal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. End of program. So this is the end of our short tutorial video on how to print 1 to 10 using for loop in Pascal programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something new in this short tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.